So the first method we wrote today was vertical mirror, in which you imagine a vertical line down the middle, up and down the middle of a picture, and you copy pixels from the left side to the right side. Now we have a horizontal mirror, in which we imagine a horizontal line from left to right across the image. Okay. I know I'm ready to get an A+ in tomorrow's quiz, so I'll just copy and paste this code up here to save me time. So let's see, I'll use my AHS logo. I think it's called that. Okay. Now this one, we only need to go through half the rows, right? We're copying like essentially the top row to the very bottom row, the second row to the second from the bottom row, and so on. So we only need to go through half the rows in this one. Again, that'll save us a few nanoseconds, I guess, I don't know. Tiny amount of time, but if this is a program that ran throughout the day on images 24/7, those nanoseconds, whatever it is, would add up. Okay. So we get the top pixel, and we get the bottom pixel. And we'll set the color of the bottom pixel to the color of the top pixel. So pixel on top is pixels of protocol. It might be helpful to know how many rows there are. I bet the answer key will use height. Remember the first answer key I showed you for the top method, the vertical mirror, they use width. I bet they'll use height, won't they? Whatever you like, num rows or height, whatever makes sense. So again, the same algebra, -1 minus the row. And now here comes the method calls. And you might want to look at the quick reference tomorrow to make sure you got them perfect. In the pixel class, set color, get color, or I don't know. You might want to look at that. So bottom dot set color to top dot get color. Anything wrong? Do you see anything glaring? We have pixels of num rows. Oh, I forgot the call. Compile. Good. So I use the AHS logo. I think that's what picture that is. No? Oh, I didn't call it yet. I didn't call the method. I'm still calling only vertical mirror, the first one. I got to call horizontal mirror. Okay. And there is the Arcadia High School logo mirrored from top to bottom across the middle horizontal line. Okay, so What extensions could an evil teacher do on this? Well, what if the horizontal mirror copied the bottom to the top? You'd copy the bottom row to the top. Would that simply be top.setColor to bottom.getColor? Is that all that is? It seems like the algebra would have to change, certainly, but no. Let's see if I'm right. I don't even know. Yep, high school went from the bottom to the top. Okay, and so now this horizontal mirror takes the bottom to the top. I'm sure somebody out there would think the algebra is different. And even me, if I was nervous in a quiz, who knows? Might get it right doing it different, but that's all you have to do. What else could we do in a quiz tomorrow with this? Well, it doesn't have to be pixels, right? I could shorten your answer up, couldn't I, by just making it a int matrix. I could say 1, 2, 3, 4 in the first row, 4, 3, 2, 1 second row, 5, 6, 7, 8 third, 8, 7, 6, 5 fourth, and say, write the method horizontal mirror that goes through an int matrix. So that would preclude you. You don't got to do the first line, second line, third line, right? You've already got your matrix. Maybe you could path it in. You could pass in an int matrix, right? And even return an int matrix, which is the reverse or the mirror image of that matrix. So this guy here would return, if it's horizontal mirror, right? That's a horizontal line. So a horizontal mirror would do what? It'd put the 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom. It'd put that there. Am I doing it right? In fact, I'm not creating this. I saw this in the Barron's Guide this morning. I saw something like that in the Barron's Guide lesson where they just took a int matrix and they did it for you. It's there in the AP Labs lesson. So it's only a couple pages to read on a PictureLab. Check that out. Oh, I keep doing that. I meant to stop the broadcast.